Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you remember my outfit, my boo dress. So I just said, okay, let me do a cap to it. I've always loved this cap wherever I see it. So I think it's called ZARA cap. So I was like, okay, let me make one for myself. So I'll be showing you the process of what I make and my final outcome. So this was my first attempt. Actually, I did a bow, but I didn't like it, so I actually changed it to another style. So keep watching if you are interested in seeing how I arrived at my final outcome and the process of me making it. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if it is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. All right guys, let's go into the process. So I'll be improvising. I now have a mark or whatever they call it. So this is wording, and this is the paper. Yeah, it's a thick paper, very thick, very thick. So I cut it. This is 18 inches long, and this is 6 inches wide. So I'll be putting the paper in between, and I'll fold it. So I'll fold it into two, like this. I want it to be thick. Since I don't have a marker, so I'm improvising. So I'll sew it. I'll go and sew the edge, and I'll trim off my excess paper. I'll sew it. So let's just have fun in this class. So anyhow, to watch a child, yeah, I mean one wear ZARA cap. So I'll do that now. So I've sewn it. I'll trim out what the excess paper I have. So you can see that it's thick now. So just koko ni pe ki ZARA ti ZARA. So cutting the ZARA cap. Yeah. So I'll trim this off. So this is the fabric I have left. This is the fabric I have left. So I have to do join. I must wear this ZARA cap. I will start do ZARA cap. I must wear ZARA cap on this clothes. So I'll join this together, and I'll cut. I'll measure my head circumference. My head circumference is 22. So I'll be having, by the time I join, I'll be cutting out 15 here, so that when I join, I'll still have allowance here, this side. So I'll be measuring what 15 inches here. Then I'll join this side. So I'll cut this place off. So I've sewn it together. So I want to get the midpoint for this, my fake marker. So this is the midpoint. So my midpoint have to align with this midpoint here. Okay. So now I've aligned my wording with my fabric. So what I'll be doing next is to do what? Create a casing now for the marker. So you can see how I did this. So I'll fold this in, and I'll place it like this. So I'll do it like that, straight down. I'll be folding it in like this, straight down. So I will stop stitch here, straight down. I'll top stitch here like that, straight down. So it's just like creating a casing now for the marker. So when I get to this edge also, I'll sew this place, and I'll sew this place. That means I've what encased what the marker. So I'll do that now, and I'll show you what the outcome. So your ZARA cap maker is here again. I've sewn here. Can you see what I did? I sew, and I sew this side and this side. So I'll be flipping over now. So I'll fold like this now. So I'll ensure I get what I'll measure where my head circumference is stopping. So my head circumference is 22, like I said. So divided by 2, that's 11. So I actually need what? 11 inches. here. Okay. So I'll be marking 11. So from this place like that, let me hold this with pin. So from this place, you can see that I'm managing fabric, because this cap, I must wear it. So let me just come in here in this quarter. That's how they say we should do it. So can see. So bring your ZARA CAP business to me. ZARA CAP maker on the beat. So I'll be sewing here like this. I'll first sew my machine, then I'll use my needle and thread to actually gather it. So let me sew first, and I'll show you how to gather it. So I've sewn it. Let's see my stitch. So I want to trim. My ZARA CAP is already ZARA, you know. Moti was already oduro pepe. So I want to gather now. I'll gather my needle and thread. See, I don't know who sent me to go and fix nail. To fix thread inside needle these days. Problem tiwa. I can't even see it. Mean that within how many seconds I will have actually fixed it. I'm not struggling with thread and needle. Hallelujah. Ti wọlé o. So, time to gather. Overall best. Yeah, why I mean. So I want to tie my others together. Let me cut small, so I will know maybe I did the correct thing or the wrong thing before I go. My ZARA CAP is ZARAing. Please clap for me wherever you are. Clap. So let me cut off this thread that is showing like that. Let me tie it again, then I'll cut it off. Can you see it? How does it look? Looks lovely. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I'm using this piece of cloth. I have to do join my pieces that's finished. So I'll be using this to make a rose for my cap. So I'll join on this side. After that, I'll show you guys the outcome. So this is it. I've sewn this side. So I've turned out. So what I'll be doing is I'll be holding it like this and like that, like this. So I'll gather this place. So I'll gather this place round with my thread. So see my rose. Rose is ready. So I'll just put it at the back of my cap. So I actually found this paper stone in one of my lockers. So I have to fix it on the cap. So this is it. I only cut out the straight part here, so I fixed it here. See, this came with my steam presser. It came with that, but I'm using my iron to actually do this, to iron the stone on the cap. So see my cap. My cap is ready. So cute. So this is my cap on my head. I don't have a manicure with head. I would have worn it on a manicure. So thank you guys for watching my video. I actually did this video at night, late at night. Please like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. We have a lot of tutorials going on here. Bye guys, I love you.